Díobh is me Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say whiskey in Irish. There are a few different words in Irish for whiskey. First of all, let's learn uisce beatha. Uisce beatha. Uisce beatha. Uisce beatha. Repeat after me. Uisce beatha. Uisce means water and beatha means life. Therefore, uisce beatha means something like life water or water of life. The English word whiskey is derived from the Scottish Gaelic word uisce beatha, which is pretty much the same as the Irish word. Another word for whiskey in Irish is fwish-ka. 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 Whiskey. Repeat after me. Fwish-ka. Now, a third type is what you may call moonshine or homemade whiskey. And the Irish for that is put-cheen. You may hear that word pronounced a little bit different, a little like put-teen. Put-cheen, poteen. Repeat after me. Put-cheen. Put-cheen. Want to improve your Irish? Why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.